Today, we are going to space. Yes, all of you right now want to make a lot of money. That is why you are in cryptocurrency. And the space economy is going to continue to grow and grow in the next few years. And there's a lot of opportunities in the space economy. So, why and how can you turn $1,000 into 1 million with this crypto that can potentially 1,000x your money? Yes, this is not clickbait. I truly mean this, and I own this cryptocurrency. And why am I speaking about them today? Because exciting news. NVIDIA, yes, with their Elite Inception program, chose SpaceChain to partner up with them. This is huge. NVIDIA is almost a $1 trillion company. This crypto that I'm gonna present to all of you is my number one crypto in my portfolio. So this is not a paid promotion. I actually believe in this crypto, and it is a hidden gem. Not many people know about this cryptocurrency, and it's gonna make me rich. It's gonna make some of you rich if you take the risk and actually invest. Again, this is not financial advice. Do your own research before you invest in anything. But let us get at least 1,000 likes for a $1,000 giveaway. Yes, if you want to win a $1,000 giveaway, one lucky winner will win $1,000. Let's get 1,000 likes. Do it real quick. Thank you very much. And now, also, we are doing a massive giveaway with this decent hardware wallet. Yes, all you have to do is go to aymanmuflih.com, scroll down here, enter your email address, and that's it. 3 lucky winners will win 3 decent hardware wallets, one each. 3 lucky winners will win a decent hardware wallet each, so 3 decent hardware wallets. And if you want to increase your chances of winning, you can enter more email addresses. So you can put 2, 3, 4, 5 email addresses if you want. And now let us get into it again. $1,000 giveaway for 1,000 likes. So do it real quick. And now let us get into today's video, because space is huge and it is continuing to grow, and we are exploring space, and Bank of America expects that the space industry is going to triple to $1.4 trillion within the next decade. And actually, this could potentially be much more, because space, the industry of space, is going to be huge. And also, not only that, but Space Force is looking at how to hack targets from space using space and satellites up in space. So this crypto that I'm about to speak about in today's video also has a lot to do with satellites up in space and building applications up in space, doing stuff up in space, data security up in space, observation of Earth from space. This cryptocurrency is doing all of those things. And also, Space Force is going to hold its first orbital warfare exercise this summer. So maybe they're getting ready for war up in space, okay? So that is another signal that space is going to be huge. And could space tourism become the next big thing in tour and travel industry? Yes, I believe so. Okay, space, people are going to go up to space and visit space. They're going to go up to the moon. They're going to go up to space real quick for like an hour or two and come right back, or maybe go to a hotel up in space and literally stay the night up in space and have the stars and galaxy all out of your hotel window. Okay, so yes, I believe that space tourism is going to be the next big thing, because think about it. There are a lot of people in this world that have so much money. They have already bought everything. They bought Lamborghinis, Ferraris, mansions, skyscrapers, you name it, everything basically. They have everything, but they've never went up to space. So once the space industry is ready, I believe that the customer base that is willing to pay is ready as well. So once the space industry is ready, the money is there, and people are going to spend money to go up to space and tour up in space, go to a hotel up in space. Now, this cryptocurrency that I'm about to present to all of you today, again, is my number one cryptocurrency. It is called SpaceChain. And why am I speaking about them today? Because exciting news. NVIDIA, yes, with their elite inception program, chose SpaceChain to partner up with them. This is huge. NVIDIA is almost a $1 trillion company. I believe they're the 12th largest company in the world in the stock market today. Okay, and they chose SpaceChain. So this is huge, okay? And this is the token of SpaceChain. Right now it's sitting at less than 2 cents as I'm recording this video. And I believe that this is just the beginning because SpaceChain is less than $10 million in terms of market cap. So the market cap is very low for SpaceChain. This is a tiny cryptocurrency, and we're going to speak about the price in just a second. But let us speak more about this partnership with NVIDIA because this is huge. And a few weeks ago, SpaceChain also partnered up with Google and their Google for Startups program. Okay, Google looks at the biggest and best startups in the world and they partner up with them and they chose SpaceChain because they believe that SpaceChain is a startup with a lot of potential. Okay, so now this inception program, what does this mean for SpaceChain? Well, exciting news. NVIDIA selects SpaceChain into the elite inception program, and this collaboration opens up incredible opportunities for us to optimize NVIDIA's expertise in AI, deep learning, and advanced computing to enhance our satellite operations and data processing capabilities. Now, I know that's a lot of big words, but that is huge, okay? That's all you need to know is that this is absolutely huge for SpaceChain, and the fact that just a few weeks ago we partnered up with Google as well is also another big sign that SpaceChain is the future. It's basically like a blockchain for space. They've sent Bitcoin, Ethereum up to space, and they're going to send a lot of other cryptocurrencies up to space. Right now, the year-to-date chart, they're up about 4x for the year. Okay, so I'm up about 200% on my money already, but we are just getting started. Yes, I believe that the future is very bright for SpaceChain because, for example, right now, there's only about 2,369 holders that's it of SpaceChain. Yes, of SpaceChain V2, there's less than 3,000 holders in the whole world. Okay, so let us get to at least 3,000 holders. So if you're watching SpaceChain right now, and if you've never bought yet, maybe really think about it. Do your research. And again, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. But I have been speaking about SpaceChain now for years, actually. Now, this is the all-time chart for SpaceChain. And as you can tell, the all-time high was about 45 cents when it first came out. And then it went down below 1 cent. And then in the previous bull market, it basically did a 30-40x. So if we do it 30-40x, that's already a good return from today's prices. But anyways, I bought SpaceChain up here. Literally, this is the first time I ever bought SpaceChain. Was around here at 2.5, 3 cents. I bought more at 5, 6 cents. I bought more at 3 cents. I bought more at 1 cent. I bought more at less than 1 cent. And now we are at 2 cents with SpaceChain. So this for me has been a long-term play. I actually believe in this. I own this cryptocurrency. And for example, okay, let us say in the future, okay, because like I told you, space and space economy is going to be a multi-trillion-dollar industry in the next few years, okay, multi-trillion. So keep that in mind. So let us say in the next 5 years, for example, we reach Dogecoin's market cap today of 10 billion. I think we can reach 10 billion. I think we can reach 1 billion, then 10 billion for SpaceChain because there is no other cryptocurrency in the world today that is doing what SpaceChain is doing. Literally, no other crypto in the world at all is doing what SpaceChain is doing. And the companies in the stock market that are doing what SpaceChain is doing, they're already valued at multiples of billions of dollars. Okay, so SpaceChain can be a $10 billion company, project, crypto, in my opinion. Again, this is my opinion. And one SpaceChain would be worth about $25, which is an upside of 1,302x from today's prices. So that is how you can turn $1,000 into 1 million. Because let us say you buy SpaceChain right now at around 2 cents and you put $1,000 into it, you sell it at $25 because that is our price prediction, $25 if we reach 10 billion. Well, guess what? Your $1,000 investment, just 1,000, that's all you need to put, okay? And remember, SpaceChain is partnered up with NVIDIA, with Google, and I'm gonna go into their website now in just a second and show you why I am very bullish into it on SpaceChain. But remember, $1,000 can turn into 1 million in my opinion for a lot of reasons, okay? So let us say you sell at $25, well, your $1,000 investment is gonna become worth $1.3 million, everyone. Literally, 1.3 million is your total profit and loss statement. Profit right here, total investment amount, and total exit amount. That is crazy. Okay, so that is the potential we're speaking about with space and the space economy and the space industry, because it is very early today. Yes, there are risks, okay, don't get me wrong. There's a lot of risks, but you need to take risk. The higher the risk, the higher the reward. So just like there's a lot of risk, there's also a lot of reward. So keep that in mind, and that is why I love SpaceChain. And pretty soon, we're gonna be living on the moon and living the best lives, okay? Just chilling and hanging out and just living the lives of our dreams. But anyways, SpaceChain. Let me know what you think about SpaceChain. If you're actually buying, again, everyone, this is my #1 holding on my YouTube channel, like in my portfolio. Literally, this is my #1 holding for a reason. So smash the like button and let's keep going. So SpaceChain is a leading innovator in space industry. Now, what does this mean? They're basically mixing blockchain with space. They have a device now called Tethys, and it's a portable terminal. It's a portable device for secure digital banking, okay? You can basically make transactions anywhere in the world without having to rely on one signal. They have an internet satellite thing coming out. They have so many things coming out. Actually, this is very impressive. They've already sent Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies up to space. Literally huge. The first project, the first company ever to actually do that is SpaceChain. Okay, so keep that in mind. And these are some of their clients and partners right here. As you can tell, some big names like Google for Startups, European Space Agency, Draper University. Tim Draper is a billionaire, the crypto billionaire, and this is the Space UK website right here. They also have a lot of different things right here. You need to do your own research, okay? I'm not going to go into too much detail about SpaceChain, but I am very, very bullish on SpaceChain. Again, everyone, if you want to win a decent hardware wallet, enter your email address at aymanmufleh.com, my first and last name, aymanmufleh.com, and you can enter as many email addresses as you want. But that is why I believe that SpaceChain, SPC, can literally turn my $1,000 investment into over $1 million in the next few years.